So cute, y'all. Like, I'm gonna dye this unit, and it's so cute. I love the length on it. It's like, it's so cute. Okay, y'all, so we have on the unit. I love the density of this unit, and I love this length. And y'all know the curly unit that I wear, the short one, is also from Beauty Forever. So let's go ahead and look at the lace. This lace can be worn glueless. I'm using a lace spray. It does come with the tape. If you don't want to use the spray or the glue, you can use the tape. We're gonna do a middle part to style. Everything is pre-plucked, hand-dyed lace. Look how good that looks. There's no makeup or anything on this lace. It looks so good. Y'all already know I cannot part that well in the middle. I don't know what it is. I love the deep parting. Look how good. Love, love, love. Am I in the middle? We're gonna go with it. This is on 410. I think the Yaki hair can take up to 450. But we're gonna just do 4. There is enough space for you to wear your hair in the side part. Let's just show you that really quick. You want it to do, look how good. If you wanted to do a side part, you can. Like this. See, really cute, really easy. I'm gonna flat iron it. Look at that, so pretty. But I think I want to wear it in the middle part just because I really, really like the way that it looks. But I just want to show y'all that you could wear it in other ways. See that? Really cute. See how pretty that looks? So natural looking. Look at this. So pretty. I don't know which way I want to wear it. Okay, let's do the middle part because y'all know I am a middle part girl. It just takes me some time to get my hair parted straight. All right, y'all, and here is my hair. So I decided to go with the middle part. I love the way that it looks. It looks so pretty and natural. I love this length. It does remind me a lot of my hair. So I love this. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I'll have all the information along with the discount code in the description.